Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Senior KG Semester 1 book. Page number 41. Page number 41. Topic is Odd One Out. Odd One Out. Before we start with the new topic, let's revise what we have completed in the previous class. In the previous class, what we have taken, children? That was fun with rhyming words. Fun with rhyming words. Yes or no? Write a rhyming word for each of the following. Man, fan. Man, fan. Box, fox. Box, fox. Sun, bun. Sun, bun. Cat, rat. Cat, rat. Red, bed. Tap, cap. Rug, mug. Cut, nut. With the help of these pictures, we have completed the rhyming words. The first rhyming word is given for you. Man. Seeing this picture, we have to say fan, man, fan. Box, fox. In this way, you have to go on writing. Okay, now we will come to the new topic, that is odd one out. Page number 41. Odd one out. Odd one out. Now, based on rhyming sounds. Based on rhyming sounds. Read the names of the pictures and cross the odd one out. What they have told, children? Based on rhyming sounds. जो rhyming sounds देता है, देखो अभी मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. That is pin, pin, bin, tin. Pin, bin, tin. This is rhyming words. And what is this? This is, what is this? This is cow, cow, cow. Pin, cow, bin, tin. ऐसे तो हम नहीं बोलते. These are not rhyming words, no? See here. Pin, then bin, tin. So which is odd one here? इसमें से odd one जो है वो तुम्हें rhyme के साथ जो नहीं जुड़ता है उसको तुम्हें निकाल देना चाहिए. Means read the names of the pictures and cross the odd one out. इस तरह से तुम्हें cross करना है. This is the cow is the odd one. Cow. Cow is the odd one. Now see the second one. That is, what is this? Cat, bat, leg. This is hat. This is hat. तो तुम्हें cat, bat, hat. Yes or no? This is rhyming words. Cat, bat, hat. Leg is odd one. इसको तुम्हें क्रॉस करना है, इसे क्रॉस करना है. ओके, मीन्स तुम्हें इसको इसे रॉन्ग करना है, रॉन्ग करके बताना है. नाउ सी हियर द सेकेंड वन इज, व्हाट इज दिस? फॉक्स, फॉक्स, ऑक्स, बॉक्स. फॉक्स, ऑक्स, बॉक्स. Rhyming words. LOG, log. LOG, log. So in this one, this is the odd one. This is the odd one, which you have to do like this. Now, see here again. 10, TEN, 10, HEN, hen, PEN, pen. POT, 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 pot. So, 10, hen, pen. This is the rhyming words. This is the rhyming words. This is odd one. So, you have to cancel this one. This one you have to put the cross. Cross you have to put. Now see here. DOG, dog. DOG, dog. Then SUN, sun. BUN, bun. RUN, run. SUN, sun. BUN, bun. RUN, run. So DOG dog, cross like this. Have you got it? See here. Have you got, children? Have you understood? See here. You have to, based on rhyming sounds के ऊपर जो आता है, जैसे bin, this is pin, bin, tin. इस तरह से तुम्हें rhyming words बना के लिखना है. That is, this is pin, PIN pin, BIN bin, TIN tin, COW cow. This is odd one out. This is out. इसको हमने क्रॉस कर दिया है. यहाँ पे देखो, cat, CAT cat, BAT bat, HAT hat. तो LEG leg, leg is odd one. So इसको हमने क्रॉस कर दिया है, इसको हमने आउट कर दिया है. That is not in this. Cat, bat, hat में ये शामिल नहीं होता है, राइमिंग वर्ड्स में शामिल नहीं होता है. जो शामिल नहीं होता है राइमिंग वर्ड्स में, उसको हमें हटा देना चाहिए. अभी देखो यहाँ पे, दिस इज FOX फॉक्स, FOX फॉक्स, OX ऑक्स, BOX बॉक्स, LOG लॉग, लॉग नहीं आता, तो इसको हमें क्रॉस कर दिया है, आउट कर दिया है. इसको हमें नहीं लेना है इसके अंदर. TEN ten, HEN hen, PEN pen, PEN pen, and POT pot. Pot is out. See here, we have crossed already. अभी क्रॉस करके तुम्हें बताया है ना. देखो अभी ये DOG dog, SUN sun, BUN bun, RUN run. So DOG dog is crossed one. This is out. So sun, bun, run. First one क्या है तुम्हारा? What is this? This is pin. This is bin. This is tin. And cow is out. Cow is out. Second one, that is cat, bat, leg, hat. The rhyming word is cat, hat, cat, bat, hat. Leg is out. Cat, okay, once again. Cat, bat, hat. Okay, this is the rhyming words. Here, fox, ox, box. Log is out. Tan, hen, pen. Pot is out. Dog, sun, bun, run. So, sun, bun, run. Sun, bun, run. This is rhyming words. Our dog is out. So, we have removed that one. Open page number 42. That is Sunday. All children like Sunday. Yes or no? सबको संडे पसंद है. तुम लोगों को भी पसंद है, हम लोगों को भी पसंद है. क्योंकि सैटरडे तुम स्कूल से जब आते हो, हाफ डे स्कूल रहता है. हाफ डे यानी आधा दिन रहता है. तब तुम क्या करते हो? तुम्हारा जो भी है होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर देते हो. संडे तुम थोड़ा बहुत होमवर्क रख देते हो और पूरा दिन तुम एंजॉय करते हो सके तो सुबह में भी उठकर कुछ होमवर्क कर सकते हो. नो प्रॉब्लम. बट संडे इज़ अ हॉलीडे. Sunday is a holiday. The remaining whatever homework remains of Saturday, you can complete it in the Monday morning also. As soon as you get up, what time you get up? For at least half an hour if you sit, 1 hour or half an hour, your homework will be completed. So Sunday, everyone likes to enjoy. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using words given in the brackets. Given in the brackets. Home, walk, Sunday, garden, holiday, cartoons, bags, breakfast. Bag, breakfast. Okay. Now they are given. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using words given in the brackets. Brackets में words दिया गया है. तुम्हें ये खाली जगह जो है 8 है. तुम्हें वो फिलअप करना है. देखो, टुडे इज, what will you write here? Today is Sunday. See here, today is Sunday. As the lesson itself, it is Sunday. So first word today is Sunday. Write here. S-U-N S-U-N-D-A-Y. Today is Sunday. Okay? Yes. It is a, what I told you, Sunday is a holiday. Yes. H-O, now write here. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y. Holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Today is Sunday. It is a holiday. It is a holiday. Then all of us are at home. तुम सब घर पे हो ना, तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें HOME होम लिखना है. All of us are at home. इसका मीनिंग क्या कहता है? हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं सभी? All of us are at home. We sat and had dash together. हम सब मिलकर क्या कर रहे थे? We sat and had मैंने खाया. क्या खाया? Breakfast खाया. Write here. What will you write here? Breakfast. Break, B-R-E-A-K. Breakfast. F-A-S-T. फास्ट. ये कुछ मैं मन से लिखकर नहीं बता रही हूँ तुम्हें. ये वर्ड जो है ये ब्रैकेट में दिया गया है. देखो, तुम देख पा रहे हो ना, एक ग्रीन कलर के पेन से लिखा गया है. उसे तुम देख सकते हो, ग्रीन कलर का पेन से लिखा हुआ है. वर्ड सभी दिया गया है. बस तुम्हें सेंटेंस को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना है और करेक्ट लिखना है. We go for a dash on Sundays. We go for a, what will you write here? Walk. Very good. Right. We go for a walk. W-A-L-K. Walk on Sundays. Sundays को कहा जाते हैं ये walk के लिए. We go for a walk on Sundays. So, we play in the dash. We play in the, कहाँ पे खेलते हैं बच्चे? Garden. Right here. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. We watch dash on the television. टेलीविज़न पर ये लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? We watch. Watch यानी देखना. Cartoons. They all like to observe cartoons. C-A-R. Cartoons. T-O-O-N-S. Cartoons. Okay. We pack our dash. For school tomorrow. We pack our, what will you write here? Bags. So, write here. Bags. B-A-G-S. We pack our bags for school tomorrow. What we do? We pack our bags for school tomorrow. Have you understood? Got it? See here. Once again I will read it. So, the spellings are given here. If you want, just you mark the fill in the blanks. That means if you want to see and write, you can write correctly. First one number you put here. Then holiday you put here 2. Holiday. Then home. See, where is home? This is 3. On top of this letter, on top of the letter you can put here the mark. Number. You can put number. You will find out easily. 3 is over. This is 4 1, that is breakfast. Then walk. Walk will be fifth one. Sixth one will be garden. Seventh one, cartoons. And last one, that is eighth one, that is bags. The school bags. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. It is a holiday. All of us are at home. We sat and had breakfast together. We go for a walk on Sundays. We play in the garden. We watch cartoons on the television. We pack our bags for school tomorrow. For school tomorrow. Have you got, children? All these words have been already given. If you are not following also, if any word, you can look here, which is again given. It's, of course, the writing is not so this. I think it is clear and you can understand it. Okay. So read page number 40, fun with rhyming words. Fun with rhyming words, read it. And page number 41, what I have taught, 41, that is odd one out, write 3 times. And Sunday ka fill in the blanks, whatever is given today, write for 3 times. Learn by heart the spelling of Sunday, holiday, home, breakfast, walk, garden, cartoons and bags. Because whenever the fill in the blanks will be given for you, you will be able to write. So write for 3 times. You write page number odd one 3 times, 41 and 42. This is the homework for you. This is the homework for you for 3 times. Page number 45, we will learn finger rhyme. We will learn finger. Do you know this here? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have how many fingers do we have? 10 fingers. So now finger rhyme we will study today. We will learn. Okay. Then put a finger on your cheek. Put a finger on your cheek. Cheek यानी तुम्हारे गाल पे. एक फिंगर जो है तुम्हारे गाल पे लगा लो. Put your finger on your cheek, then put it on your nose. Then touch your nose here. ऐसे नाक को पकड़ो. पहले तुम अपने चीक को टच करो. चीक जो होता है तुम्हारे दोनों गाल, पिंक चीक्स को टच करो. उसके बाद नोज को टच करो. Then put a finger on your cheek, then put it on your nose. Then put it on your nose. Then turn your fingers round and round. Turn your fingers round and round. Turn your fingers round and round. And put them to your toes. And point them to your toes. And point them to your toes. Make them do a little dance. Make them do a little dance. Make them climb a hill. Make them climb a hill. Hill पे तुम्हें चढ़ने दो. Make them to do a little dance. Toes, जब तुम point out toes को and put them to your toes. Point toes को दिखाना है तुम्हें. देखो यहाँ पे toes दिखाया है. Toes यानी पैर के उंगलियाँ. Fingers यानी हाथों की उंगलियाँ. Toes यानी पैरों की उंगलियाँ. Toes and थोड़ा सा डांस कर लो. Make them climb a hill. Hill पर चढ़ो तुम. Hill यानी डोंगर. Give them a clap for being good. Give them a clap for being good. And put them where they are still. And we clap with our hands, no? We clap with our hands. So, put a finger on your cheek. Put a finger on your cheek. Then put it on your nose. And then put it on your nose. Turn your fingers round and round. Turn your fingers round and round. And put them to your toes. And put them to your toes. Make them and point them to your toes. And point them to your toes. Make them do a little dance. Make them do a little dance. Make them climb a hill. Make them climb a hill. Give them a clap for being good. Give them a clap for being good and put them where they are still. And put them where they are still. Give them a clap for being good. Give them a clap for being good and put them where they are still. And put them where they are still. Put a finger on your cheek. Put a finger on your cheek. Then put it on your nose. Then put it on your nose. Turn your finger round and round. Turn your finger round and round. And point them to your toes. And point them to your toes. Make them do a little dance. Make them do a little dance. Make them climb a hill. Make them climb a hill. Give them a clap for being good. Give them a clap for being good. And put them where they are still. And put them where they are still. Okay, children. This rhyme you have to learn by heart. This is page number 45. This finger rhyme. You have to learn by heart. Okay, children. Bye. We will meet in the next video.